drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Like that, plastic motor. It was kind of aggravating because you couldn't get the right pressure washer working. So let me explain that. My pressure washer, the whole thing was right there. The O-ring went out in the middle, so it makes the water go everywhere. I ain't feel like swimming today. And then this pressure washer didn't have a little pressure in it. You know what I mean? But we got that off the foot because I got my pressure washer. Pressure washer done. I know y'all saying that right there. Looking like they a little bit organized and got them do the same job. That food that look like you got everything can do. It's the same exact job. Y'all see it? What's up, Team Takeover? Don't forget to check out Custom Shirts and Things by Takeover if you're looking for custom printing and design. I print shirts, hats, shoes, pants, shorts, jackets, and more. Even coffee mugs, even air fresheners, things like that. I do it all, man. Got a kid that's on a football team, basketball team, soccer team, whatever, you need a shirt for that. Family unions, rest in peace t-shirts. Put your business logo on a shirt and make your business shine. Just express yourself on a t-shirt. It don't matter, I do it all. Remember, Custom Shirts and Things by Takeover. You can find us on Facebook.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, that follow, that share. One of them. Do something.